Hey, Ember, what is it that you wanted to show me? It's right behind you. It's lava. It's what I'm made of. Fire. Whoa, it's so warm over here. Can I touch the fire? I mean, we are underwater. Ow! That's still super hot. I'm melting. I'm melting. Water. Actually, I'm not melting. I'm evaporating. I'm evaporating. Oh, stop, Wade. You know what? There is a way I can help you touch my fire. Do you want to try? Oh yeah, for sure. And maybe I'll make something that you can feel how water feels like before you make it evaporate. Come on, let's check it out. Whoa, this is the inside of a squishy. If you want to learn how to make squishies, stick around. This is going to be so much fun. And at the end, let me know which one is the winner. Ooh, is it going to be Wade? Or is it going to be Ember? Only real toy masters make it to the end of the video. Are you a true toy master? Let's find out. Okay, who's going to win, toy masters? Fiery Ember or squishy, watery Wade?
It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
First up in the squishy department, we need a squishy. Like this right here. To make Wade's squishy, I've got a whole bunch of blue things we can put inside of the squishy. I've also got this bag of snow, and you know what? This snow will look so good. It will make it look like there's waves in the squishy. Let's start by inserting our balloon into the Dr. Squish Squishy Maker. Oops. Now we can go ahead and pump it up. Now it's time to make some sections with our ooey gooey slime. To make Wade, who is, oh my goodness, such a sparkly blue, let's start by adding a little bit of white. For the next step, let's go ahead and change up some of this clear slime into some really fun kind of looking slime that looks just like Wade. Blue powder added to one of them to change the color up a bit, and carefully mix it all together. Let's cover up this one too, and we can stretch it kind of to make it look like waves. Now it's time to add our blues into our squishy. Plop, plop. I think we can do much better than that. I also have blue tulle in two different colors. Shimmery blue. There we go. And time for some snowflakes. But instead of snowflakes, it's going to be waves for the ocean. You better add another clear base into this. What do you think? Does that look blue enough? Maybe we should add a little bit more of this, whoa, powder. That was a lot of powder. And cover it up with just a little bit more slime. Okay, pump it up just one more time. There's our squishy. And let's see what we got for Wade's squishy. Wow. It looks just like water. Like waves and different colors of blue. What do you think? You think we did good? Custom DIY squishy. Whoa. Wait, but aren't we supposed to make embers too? You guys, you can make your own squishy as well. It's so fun and so easy. Wow, Wade, that was the coolest squishy ever, but now it's my turn to make a fiery. Whew, sorry, I got excited. Calm, Ember. A fiery squishy. I love squishies. Okay, let's get started. Whoa, Ember was a little excited. To make hers, we're going to add our squishy back to our Dr. Squish Squishy Maker. And pump it up. Pump. Now let's get a whole lot of clear slime. Because clear slime is the base to making her fiery. Fire is everywhere and has so many colors. Let's add some orange. Let's counter it with some pink dust. Red. Fire hot embers. And of course, just a little bit of golden yellow. Carefully, let's mix this all into the squishy mix. Oh my goodness. That's fiery hot. Oh my goodness, it's so hot it went everywhere. All over the table. Let's collect all the embers. Mix it all together. Ooh! Oh, that's hot. Whoa! It's like her slime is suddenly on fire. I mean, it is Ember. Quick! It's so hot. Let's put our fiery Ember slime into the squishy maker. Wow! Add a little bit of clear to this corner. So we've got some differences in our squishy. A little bit more. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna pump it up one more time and take this squishy out of here. Wow! Does that not look like moving fire to you? Holy moly! That is the coolest squishy ever! Now that is a fiery Ember squishy. Hey Wade, this is safe inside of a squishy. So you can feel this fire. It's warm, but it's not going to burn you. Oh, it feels so good, and it doesn't bring my water to a boil at all. I'm loving this. Squishy, squishy, squishy. And when you take it out of the squishy, it makes even more fun. Look at that. You see, Wade? Sometimes we can just control fire. And water and fire can be together. Ow! Just not in this circumstance. You're burning me. Sorry, Wade.